Hi everyone, and welcome to Teacher Roby's class. Today, we will talk a new lesson. In today's video, we will talk about how and when to use some and any. Before I start explaining, there are some things that you need to understand. Like, what are these words? Here we have milk, a cat, bread, a sandwich, a glass, and rice. These words are called nouns. There are two types of nouns, countable and uncountable. Now, if you don't know what that means, those words come from the verb to count, which basically mean to name the number, like 1, 2, and 3, and so on. Also, this "on" means not. Okay, so now that we all know all of that, pause the video and try to categorize these nouns as countable or uncountable. Alright, let's see if you were right. The countable ones are a cat, a sandwich, a glass. The uncountable ones are milk, rice, and bread. Okay, so one question that you might have is, why milk is uncountable if I can count the cartoons? That's exactly it. You can count the cartoons, but not the milk inside it. The same thing goes with rice. You can count the bowls, not the rice in them. Notice also that singular, countable nouns have a and on in front of them. In this case, we only have a because none of the countable nouns start with vowels. If you are not sure what I mean by that, you can visit our previous lesson for further explanation and understanding. So, with countable nouns, we can easily say something like, I want 1 cat, 2 sandwiches, or 3 glasses. And if we want to say something like, I want bread, rice, or milk, instead of numbers, we can say some. Some is used in positive sentences. As you can see here, we use it with uncountable nouns. However, we can use it with uncountable nouns if we don't know the exact number of something. For example, if you see a jar of cookies, you can say, there are some cookies in the jar. Okay, now I need you to read these 2 sentences, pause the video, and try to transform them into their negative and question forms. Okay? Let's see if you are right. He doesn't want any milk. Does he want any milk? There aren't any cookies in the jar. Are there any cookies in the jar? As you can see from these examples, we can say that we use some in positive sentences and any in negative and question sentences. And we use some and any with both countable and uncountable nouns. And there you go! Congratulations! You survived another lesson! As always, Don't forget to do your activity. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher Roby. Have a nice day.